One of the most important aspects of having your open house is being able to track who attended and sort that information very easily into dialer lists, communication lists, and just overall lists of attendees. You can do this via your smart CRM. When you use the Open House app, a automated hashtag will actually be attached to all attendees of a particular open house. If we look at James McKay on this example, I'll go ahead and make my screen a little larger here so you can see it a little clearer. You can see there is a tag of open house 4939714 and then the date. Every open house of which you use with the Open House app will actually land a open house tag similar to this with open house with the MLS number after it and then the date of the open house attached. Now you can also search these within your entire platform, and I'm going to clear my filter here on my Smart CRM to show you. On the filter, we can actually go into this and click into lead detail, scroll to hashtag, and type in open house, or even the MLS number will bring it up. So I can choose the MLS number and the date of which my open house was, which is this very first one, and it will land in this field, and then I can click apply filters to see my list in its entirety. This will allow me to actually click into these boxes and mass email or mass text, even go in and add tags, different types of hashtags, change a status, etc. Now, it's also important to remember that via the marketing autopilot, you can also set up the triggers for search alerts to come in and be activated by a hashtag. So you can go into search alerts, learn more, and you have the ability to auto-assign search alerts. So you can create search alert, drop in the hashtag of which is going to be manifesting. So in this case, you could create a search alert to trigger with a hashtag because you know the format of which the open house tags land. And then you can say, whenever this tag lands, I want this area to be attached as an automated area to send a listing alert. Then you can go through and add in additional areas, keywords, options, and so forth. And you'll see that when the system updates now, whenever something lands with this tag attached, all the listings in Sullivan County are going to be going out daily to that particular group of hashtags. You can also tell the system to trigger a smart campaign with a hashtag as well. And you can learn about that via the marketing autopilot, smart campaigns. Now, there is a separate training to speak to smart campaigns and creating them with specific triggers that you can look for via the main smart campaign tutorial. I hope you have a great day.